Hello, I'm Curtis Ludwig.
Hi, I'm Marcus Wade, and we are of Team Hot Wheels. We have selected the manual wheelchair as our household product to improve.
When redesigning the wheelchair, we wanted to focus on three main areas: the comfort, safety, and maneuverability of the primary as well as secondary user. We wanted to take customer complaints and turn them around in order to enhance the features of the wheelchair.
Some of the customer complaints that arose are sitting at the table comfortably with the armrest engaged at the dinner table. Another issue that arose was elderly helping other elderly down ramps and having to apply a force on their own to bring wheelchair to stop.
The primary user also had difficulty finding a comfortable place to do work while sitting in the wheelchair. This could be reading a book, taking notes, or even working on the laptop. As well as this, they had problems with egressing from the wheelchair to a different bed, table, or desk. They had to come up out of the wheelchair, move around the armrest, and sit down, which presented many problems for the immobile.
So Kurt, what does it cost to make this product?
The traditional wheelchair retails for $155 without the upgrades made to the product. With our upgrades, we plan to sell it for $190. This maintains a gross profit margin of 20% after sourcing all the parts that are needed to manufacture.
Oftentimes, users do not have enough space to do work, eat, or store items.
In order to remedy this problem, our team developed a stowable desk with two legs that fold out and clip in as such. This desk drops down into two holes specifically designed on the wheelchair and locks in. This allows for the user to have a lot of room in order to do work or have a meal, and it's very sturdy, as you can see. In order to enhance the safety of the secondary user while operating a wheelchair, we implemented a braking system.
As can be seen, Team Hot Wheels implemented the manual handbrakes on the posterior handles of the wheelchair, where the brake line runs securely from here all the way up to the brake calipers in front, where the brake pads are mounted onto the rims of the wheelchair wheels. Here's how the brakes are operated. When the secondary user applies a force on the manual handbrakes, while the handles are pressed, the brakes are engaged on the wheel. The original design for the wheelchair armrest was a drop-and-lock system in which the armrest could be lifted up and placed into these slots and secured with this pin here.
In order to help with egress from the wheelchair, as well as increase the comfort of the user when doing work at a desk or other table, we developed a system of being able to unlock the handle and swing around to the back, where it's stowed in order to get out of the way from the primary user. This allows the user to move from the wheelchair to another chair and to transfer without having the armrest be an issue anymore.
Overall, our upgrades address safety, maneuverability, and comfortability. Our brakes enhance safety for primary and secondary user. Our desk enhances comfort of the wheelchair, allowing them to do work. And the swingable armrest addresses maneuverability, enhancing transferability.
When performing this project and doing upgrades on the wheelchair, we wanted to keep some constraints in mind. We wanted to make sure that the wheelchair could still fold. We wanted to maintain the low cost. And we also wanted to ensure that the wheelchair width did not increase drastically so that the user could still go through passageways and doorways. We have found that this upgraded product enhances customer satisfaction for a nominal additional cost. Please join our team in supporting this adventure and help to provide mobility for the immobile. Thank you.